the new fridge caddy. We got 6 putters that can fit easily in the main compartment. One right here, bam. Full-size mini. Check this out. Couple patches will come with it. Works perfectly. You can add your own, use those, whatever you want. Multiple new pencil holders on there. 40-ounce hydro flask. Fits in the side. No problem. Over here, phone in the side pocket. We also got a really nice phone for a little bit smaller phones or keys, wallet, whatever you want. There's a very large side pocket. And check this out. You want it to be a fridge or you want it to be a caddy? It can be both. Fits in here like a glove. And inside this bad boy, look at that. Powerade, water bottle. Lots of room for all those goodies. Or if you don't want it there, want it to be a caddy, like a glove down there. Or heck, even throw it right in here.
Then there's another strap that goes through the back of the cart.
If you want to take it off, easy as that. Boom, let's go slinging.